So, we've got Paris, Milan, New York and Tagcaster man. Bob's back.
Greetings, YouTubers.
It's the Husky. You can see, he's got his UK badge on, so he's been to Holland in this car, haven't you?
Yes, yes.
And
Got
now
a few thousand miles in it now.
How many?
Couple of thousand.
Oh my God. Right. So, next week's Hillman International, 31st to the 3rd. Sorry. First? Yeah. Anyway, we've got a bit of a noise on the Husky. We think the wheel bearing's gone on this side. If you remember, we did that side, and of course,
Yeah.
the other side's now noisy, but we're going to put a new one in, aren't we? You've got one?
I have.
So Bob's not putting his overalls on because he doesn't need to, because I'm going to get this done quick, sharpish, because I've got to carry on with my car. So today we're going to whiz the wheel off. We've spun it. I'm going to whiz the drum off first, because it sounds like it could be something in the drum as well. So we'll just check the brakes, make sure that's okay. But the pedal feels alright, doesn't it, and everything?
Yeah, it's
it
working
didn't go funny
fine.
though, didn't it? It didn't go funny when you left here, didn't it?
Just the once.
Yeah, so I wonder if that's something to do. We'll whiz the drum off first, have a look at that, and then we'll crack on. So we'll get the camera set up down here, but yeah, the Husky's back again for a little bit more maintenance. And he's got a new tailpipe on.
Yeah.
Bad boy.
The other one fell off.
Yeah.
Somewhere between my house and Vince Frost's.
Right. So what we do need to do, we need to look at the tick over because it's racing away, and I've got some springs, I think, so we'll try and put another spring on it, and just, or we'll use the springs off my twin Strongbergs and probably won't need again, hopefully, fingers crossed.
Yeah, I've had some trouble with the throttle return spring not returning the throttle.
Oh dear, so we'll get it sorted, won't we, Bob?
Yeah.
Let's whiz the wheels off and let's crack on.
Right.
What we're going to do is just whiz this wheel off first.
Right.
So, first job. There you go, Bob. Take it out the way. Right, we need a Phillips screwdriver. It's just got one little screw to hold it on. It is very tight. Pull up my neck, that's tight. I'll get a big hammer.
I did take the handbrake off, didn't I?
I'm trying to undo the screw, Bob.
Hmm?
I'm trying to undo the screw.
Right.
It was very tight. So it's adjusted off anyway, so back it off a bit. A bit wham, a bit of dust there. Right, I've got a bit of brake dust in them, but nothing looks untoward. Nothing's hanging off. Nothing's right. So what we'll do, we'll slacken the big nut off, then we'll get underneath, undo the donut, drop that down, and then we can knock it out. Right. Now, just got a knock. Leave the hood nut fully on. Just knock that. That's isn't it.
Have you got that? Like a pointed chisel that fits in that dimple in the middle. Oh, that's working.
Oh, we don't need
That's
it.
done it.
Right, that's how you do it.
Yeah.
These have been off anyway, so you know. There you go, and it's not even stayed on the shaft, which is fantastic.
Happy days.
Right, so just need to whiz the back plate off.
That'll save some valuable drinking time.
Yes, it'll save some valuable time.
Drinking or otherwise.
Yes. Right. Jesus Christ. What's going?
Is it open?
Yeah, it's going on the cock. you go. There's a monkey out. Just feel a bit notchy. Right. Oh, listen to that.
Oh, that's not very quiet.
That's the front one. There lays the problem. And there you go, folks. That was a bit of a bugger. Oops, I've sworn. But anyway, I think that's the problem. Nice little buzz, isn't it?
You know, I would have gone all the way over to lane 4, but I wouldn't have really gained any time because I was only going about 3 junctions up the road.
Has it got you? No,
No.
not yet. Not yet.
No. Not yet. No.
We'll just nip these up, and then this is the hub back on, and we'll adjust the brakes, and you can give it a spin. And what we'll do, we'll just shut the other side up, make sure there's no play in the other burner in case it's settled down. Fingers crossed, Bob, you should be done.
Hey.
Good for Chesterfield. If
Right.
not, gearbox is US.
Well, anyway,
Mr. Jones has got plenty of
I'll
them.
get back home, get the battery out so I can get at the wiring and
Yeah,
start on the tow bar.
yeah. Well, it's coming nice now, isn't it?
Well, while I'm in that corner, I might as well take out the control box and wire it up for an alternator. Because I've got one ready and waiting to go in.
Not a massive job.
It's more difficult on these actually because you
Right, so that's that. Where's that bulb on now? The washer on with a flap there. And where's my nut gone? There's the big nut. We'll whiz it down. We'll whack it up with a gun. And away we go. No tick, no clicking there. Let's put the wheel on and try it.
Surprising, isn't it?
It shouldn't really make any odds when it's stood up, but
Surprising.
we'll just jack the other side up and just double check the wheel's not loose.
That's my fault there. Leave the wheel loose and think, why is that making a noise?
What's that going? Dum, 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 dum.
Did it the other day. Had 4 tyres fitted. Threw them all on driver's side. Donk, donk.
Well, the lad at the shop, we did those actually to up.
14-foot pound. Not alright.
Well, that's it.
9
He sort of looked at me and thought,
Yeah,
that's it. I said, that only it cool.
True.
Let's check the other side.
That's what rolling.
Then put the handbrake on.
Pretty good.
It was only doing it forward, but not backwards.
Yes.
How big is that? Oh, sorry, Bob. Hey, so, yeah, Andy's here. Say hello, Andy.
Hello everybody.
He's in the background. So we've done it, but we still think we might have a problem, don't we?
Well, yes.
We think it might be the gearbox, but the donut wasn't on right. That's my mistake. But it's been alright. It's not really been noisy all the time. It shouldn't have made that much difference. But definitely got some noise. So we're going to go out for a spin and see what it's like. Fingers crossed it'll be alright. But if it's not, it's a gearbox job. Mr. Jones will have one of them. You just put it in when you do the engine, don't you? And just run it till it destroys. But it'll get you to Chesterfield. And if not, we'll have to relay you home. Won't we? I'm black again. But anyway, Bob's clean. That's the important thing. You don't want to get dirty. So that's it. That was a quick. It only took about 20 minutes to do the bearing, but then it took another 20 minutes to muck around with the taking the shaft on and off again. So, right, Bob, let's go for a spin and see where we're at.
Right.
Right, we've been out, and it's mint, isn't it?
Yeah.
So with no droning, super duper. So now we're going to have a quick look at the accelerator because it's racing away a little bit. apart from that, another happy job done
Yep.
on the return of the Husky. So that's it now. It's banished from here after today.
Famous last words, Gary.
we said
Famous
that.
last
We
words.
said that last time, didn't we?
Yes.
However, no, you're done and dusted. You can get to the National as soon as you get your tow bar on. But yeah,
Yeah.
let's have a quick look at the engine. But that's it for us. All finished. Bob's happy. I'm happy. I can go in and have my tea. This is
So-
now what? 20 to 5. That took an hour and a half. Twice. We did it twice, didn't we?
Well, we have a
Yeah. So anyway, that's it. Till next one. See you soon.